As well as year-round ground maintenance and winter gritting, GMC are now offering a safe solution for clients who want inaccessible areas of their grounds maintained. Our remote control machines are capable of working on embankments up to 60 degrees. This removes the risk to the operator, who can control the machine remotely from a safe distance. Our fleet of remote control lawnmowers are very efficient and can do the same amount of work as up to 15 men. Our machines are ideally suited for maintenance on golf courses, council property, motorways, farms, commercial properties and general landowners. Our Agrian 9600 mower has a very light footprint and can cut grass in extremely wet conditions and leave no trace on the turf. This machine also replaces the need for hand trimming to inaccessible areas and can deal with saplings, gorse bushes and other unwanted vegetation. Our Green Climber is extremely efficient in cutting thick vegetation, reeds, brambles, gorse bushes, trees and stump grinding. This can replace the need for a team of tree surgeons carrying out dangerous work. We also offer a host of ground maintenance and sports ground services, flail collector mowers, scarifying, high-level hedge trimming, and a host of other services, all supplied with operators or on a contract basis. For more information, give our friendly team a call today.